Welcome back friends in one more video on measures of central tendency, and in this video we will discuss median. I hope you have watched my previous video on basics of central tendency including arithmetic mean and geometric mean, which were examples of mathematical average, whereas today we are going to start one of the most important positional average, that is median. Median will be covered in two parts. In part 1 we will discuss about its introduction, definition, its properties, merit and demerit. Whereas in second part of this video we will discuss how to calculate median in different data set. To represent the typical value of the data set or the central point, the three most common measures of central tendency are used, and median is one of them along with mean and mode. Why there is a need of median? Let's understand with this example. If we take the population where we want to calculate their average body weight, and if we are using the arithmetic mean, the average body weight is even much more than 90% of the population because of this outlier. Similarly, in this example, if we want to calculate the average monthly salary of 10 employees of a company, and by using arithmetic mean, the average value comes around 20,000, and in this case 90% employees are having even less than 50% of this average value. It is because of this employee H, and if you will remove this employee, the arithmetic mean will be somewhere around 5,555. And that should be the central or average value. Such outliers are very common during collection of data, and question arises that how to get rid of such outliers. Can median overshadow effect of such outliers? But first we have to understand what is median. To determine the median value in a sequence of numbers, the number must first be sorted or arranged in value order from their lowest to highest or highest to lowest value. The median value is the number that is in the middle with the same amount of numbers below and above. Similarly, in this example, we have to arrange all the employees based on their monthly salary either in descending order or in ascending order. And because there are even numbers, so we will not get a single center value. Therefore, in this case we will take the two center value, and the average of this will be the median. But in this case, fortunately, both the values are same. Therefore, the median will be 6,000. Now we can define the median. The median is the middle item of a series arranged in either ascending or descending order of their magnitude, or you can say the median is also the number that is halfway into the set, where half of the items lies below this point and other half above this point. How to find a median? After arranging the data points from in ascending or descending order, if the total number of observations given is odd, then the formula to calculate the median is as follow. Or if the total number of observation is even, then the median formula will be this. Like any other statistical parameter, median also have its merits and demerits. Let's first discuss some of the merits. It is a well-defined and easy to compute and understand. It does not require all the observation of the data for its determination. It can be calculated even for unequal class intervals. It can also be computed in case of frequency distribution with open-ended classes, which is imaginary in case of arithmetic and geometric mean. That's the main advantage of median. It is not affected by extreme values and also interdependent of range or dispersion of the data. It can also be determined graphically, that we will understand in the next video. It is proper average for qualitative data where items are not measured but are scored or arranged based on their ranks. It can be calculated easily by watching the data. And then finally, it gives a value which very much exists in the series and is a round figure in most of the cases. Now let's discuss some of the limitations. We can say that it's not firmly defined and its value cannot be computed, but it has to be located in the data set. For computing the median, data need to be arranged in ascending or descending order. Without doing this, we cannot locate median. It is not based on all the observation of the data and work only on the central value. It cannot be computed precisely when it lies between two items or when the data set is of even number. It is also affected by fluctuation of sampling, and it is not accurate when data is not large. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment like mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. How to locate median in different kind of data set such as individual observation or discrete series or continuous series or graphic location of median by ogive curves. All these will be covered in my next video. You can see a link for that video here. You can learn how to locate or calculate median value in different data series. Till then, like and share this video. Press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. Bye bye.